And we are in front of Westfalia James Cook, also like a prototype called the 600D. We will be entering inside and check some of the new features that they made. So we have an opening fridge like that, pretty deep. Then we have the Dometic 2-burner stove with 3 cabinets, not bad and not small, just the smallest one. That's actually the compressor for the fridge. Then we have a slide out with, whoa, pretty deep. And then on top we have just one cabinet and nothing else from this part. Then we have additional cabinets here and here, and then open wide situation right up there with some pretty comfy seating area and table with the actual slide out. After that, let's check the actual bathroom, and this is actually pretty big with a good amount of showering and with the actual sink that falls down pretty high, so you can wash your teeth and your face pretty easily. And then the cassette toilet with additional storage right up here. Not bad. And then we will be measuring the actual bed so we can understand the actual size. At the widest part is approximate, yeah, it states 2 meters, but I'm measuring it from the upper part. And then we shall be measuring the actual bed from the actual widest part is about 1.2, so it's not the widest bed, but you have the actual pop-up roof right up there, so you will be able to sleep 3 to 4 people comfortably and easily. And now I am getting outside and back for this James Cook 600D campervan. Yes, it's mounting the BF Goodrich KO2 tires with the complete specs of just like that, and the complete price is 151,000 euros. There you go. These are the complete specs of this James Cook 600D.